This is a weekly chart of NAB. We're looking at it to see where resistance is. In the bottom of the cloud, I feel this point rather than this point is 23.14 approximately. We've been using the support of the blue line here at $21. Blue has come back down, but the red now is starting to come up. This is a cross. It's a weak bull signal. It is bullish, but price is still underneath the cloud on the weekly chart, and therefore it's only weak. Support is now back, is still here at 1975. It has gone from being the red line to the blue line, and red has come up so that there is new support at 2064. From previously, I have charted this one, and I've put a circle here showing that there was resistance at the brown line. See how the brown line has not wanted to cross that red line. It is now sitting on top of that candle. The next group of candles are lower. Brown has not got above the red line. It is pretending to be above the candles, and it probably will stay above the candles, but that brings the 1975 into play. Then it has these candles to use as support, and then see if it can break back through the red line, giving it possible entry into the cloud in around the $22 mark, similar to where we are at the moment, maybe even a touch lower at about $20.94. If it comes down and goes through the red line, through the blue line, we are back into bear trending. This brown line will then drop below these candles, and it will be then using these as resistance, forming a new low. From here, I'd move across into a daily chart. We're looking to see if this has the potential to go in to a continued rally, or whether it has a potential drop. You can see here that it broke out, it came back down, tested the new support at red, had a good breakout again. It's then come down, tested that support. Just bring those candles back up again. It has come down, tested that support, rallied back through the blue line, which is a good positive bull signal, but then it has come back down. We've now had a cross. The red is above blue. That is a strong bull signal. Price is still above the cloud. The brown line now has this as resistance. So we have strong resistance at 21.82. It's interesting to see that the price has managed to stay above the cloud. We've got a strong bull signal. Price recently went through the blue. There is plenty of bull signals there. When we come down into a 4-hour chart, since we're looking at for new price action, this is now in a situation where price has got below the cloud. The blue line is below the cloud, but red is sitting above. Now, at this point is when I start counting back candles to see price action. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is currently using that high within its calculations of the red line. It is the highest high and the lowest low divided by 2 over 9 periods for the red line. In the next 4 hours, that will become the highest high. In 8 hours, that will be. The red line will continue to come down here. If price comes into this cloud, greets it, and starts to look like it's going to drop out from here, we are going into a potential bear breakout of the cloud. It is one to watch, and it is one that I have been watching. It was in this region here that I thought it was going to drop out, and then we had that rally. That was 2 weeks ago. The public holiday in Queensland was that candle there, and I was watching for it to drop out. I was in at this, watching at this range, but I was trading on the ASX 200, because it has an influence being a bank. It rallied, but it was unable to have a strong breakout. Brown was clear at this point, but it failed to rally with blue down here. It is still making up its mind. I hope that gives you an understanding of where it's at. Thank you.